as one of the most conscious artists to ever lyrically touch the stage across this island. Montego Bay, are you ready? The Warrior Love Band is the band on the stand and they are ready. This is the international night, so we had to have this international recording artist. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, it is my indeed pleasure to introduce this artist with all the glory that he deserves. Because he's not just an ordinary artist, he's a very profound lyrical artist in the history of Jamaica land we love. To center stage, none other than Bugle! 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 Yeah. Introducing Bugle to the stage. Big up Bugle every time. Yeah. Let's give me a moment to your time now. As I look and I listen to the one who is ascended and high, to the one who is arrayed in splendor and majesty, the father of the fatherless, the one who first learns to rule himself above all, the one whom can remove all the impurities out of our mind and make our mind and body more pure and tranquil. A wise ruler, a ruler who gives to his people when they're in need, the one who protects his people by his power and dignity, the ruler who first learns to serve all. That one is worthy to be called a king, the king of truth, never slay, never steal, lie, abuse, or idle talk. He's always free from greed, anger, and foolishness, and he's Lord of all wisdom and virtuous teaching. Wherever he goes, fighting cease and ill will vanish. I call him Rastafari, the king of peace, justice, and equity. Forever shall he reign in majesty. He's the one of all time and forever shall be, the one that lives within and exists everywhere. His ancestries are the purest and the highest. He not only rules the four quarters of this earth, he is the anointed, he is the apex. I call him Rastafari. I call him Rastafari. I call him Rastafari. I Selassie. I call him Rastafari. I call him Rastafari.
Turn my back on the real youth. All who judge when we recruit them, and all who are judge. Them no smoke, them no sick, and them no have no pink eye. Boy, and we a watch them a follow, we a lead them a free and a. Alright, and them a said, come a fall in a that, but I'm on a 9-10. Yeah, so all who a wait for we fall from face, them a go this up. Alright, then I don't answer when need it. I just rise, watch them fall, who feels it, and don't know it. Them I tears them done, so we watch them fall. Cause them no smooth, them no sick, and them no have no pink eye, but them eye red. Boy, and we a watch them a follow, we a lead. You not grudge me for my mate. Alright, and them a say, come a fall in a that, but I'm on a 9-10. Yeah, so all who a wait for we fall bound.
them a go disappointed.
Down a jungle, and down a river, and down a 2 mile, and over plainland, and over Bato, and over Waterhouse. Girl, take a beer me there, so me I say, tell them, say me proud of who me is, me proud of who me is, me proud of dungeon, that's how we come from. So me proud of every room, good days of that me man so brave. I never broke these cause no manner. Oh yeah, me proud of who me is, me proud of who me is, me proud of dungeon, that's how me come from. So me proud of every room, good days of that me man so brave. If hunger don't kill me already, can't kill me again. Cause enough time me hungry till me try them then. A bulla and a bag juice, that a goal me woulda jump. Even if me smell a box lunch, no day me never switch up in a the Gideon. The number one pair of snake as I want black pants. Them time the judge did a prepare me. Now as I get to youth, tell them say me proud of who me is, proud of who me is, proud of the dungeon, that's how we come from. So me proud of every room, good days of that my man so brave. I never broke these cause know me. Oh yeah, me proud of who me is, me proud of who me is, me proud of the dungeon, that's how me come from. So me proud of every room, good days of that my man so brave.
No one else here.
Well, Emmanuel I Selassie. Jah! If you believe in yourself, bust a blank over your head. If you love yourself, bust a load of blank over your head. If you know so the Almighty God make you there Sunfest, bust a load of one. Cause if you blame life, you blame who know? Some people are believing in themselves, so don't expect them to believe in you. Start with oneself. Cause if you blame life, you blame who give it. Don't blame life, blame the way how you live it. Father God never sleep in work and him no make no mistake. Blame it on your friends and yes, if you blame life, you blame who give it. Don't blame life, blame the way how you live it. Father God never sleep him wake and him no make no mistake.
Blame it on your friends and in your surroundings with faith.
And do no best, no best. So I pass later, some of them trying to be perfect like a job. Believe in a giant people. One man a sweater when the Eden drive is swallow man like Allen. And even though them not no lock them dead. If you want to know your friend pretend like you and see your more things, them would have over your head. Well, why eat your flesh up like it is a loaf of bread? Never let them get you down in this game, say I hear ya. Never spread the rumor like them think is a bit. When them say what's the pace, them are the list. Fire with fire, then everyone I got dead. Yes, man, you blame life.
Blame who give it.
Don't blame life, blame the
way how you live it.
Our Father God never sleep in work and him no make no mistake.
Blame it on your friends and in your surroundings with faith.
Yes, if you blame life, you blame
who give it.
Don't blame life, blame the
way how you live it.
Our Father God never sleep in work, no make no mistake.
Blame it on your friends and in your surroundings with faith.
Far me and forward from. Me not talk about the journey from Kingston to Montego Bay. Me not talk about my life journey. Portland me forward from. Me born in Portland but me grew up in the Kingston city, you see it? But it's the journey from me left Portland until today. It wasn't a normal journey. Hear me out now. Some people stop by obstacles, my journey's continue.
Be around, nothing new.
Every single day he will be dancing you. Babylon always looking something to bounce on you. Some people stop by obstacles, my journey's continue. Devil is always gonna be round haunting you. Every single day he will be dancing you. Babylon always looking something to me. Follow me, let's follow my pride and decisive and I go feel. If it's in for ride a bicycle and go deliver. Pray to God me have a job. Now go rap for go a jail. Fortunately over evil righteousness up to prevail. Good things come in small passes. Some people want it in barrage. Cannot get from just so forget your camouflage. According to your word, you get your reward. Got to be a rebel with a cause word. Some people stop by obstacles, my journey's continue. The devil is always gonna be around. Every single day he will be dancing you. Babylon always looking something to bounce on you. Some people stop by obstacles, my journey's continue. The devil is always gonna be around. Every single day he will continue. Me overcome all difficulties with that record that me shine. Right now me I go use up on a Jimmy clip. Cause I swear as the sun shine, I'm gonna get what's mine. I'm never gonna get left behind. Think too negative about your brother, that's why you wanna melt. Why you want to be a man? Because I'm having wealth. You know you got to do what you can while you got health. Just remember, say judge help, don't tell them. Some people stop by obstacles, my journey continue. The devil is always gonna be around. Every single day he will be dancing you. Babylon always looking something to bounce on you. Some people stop by obstacles, my journey's continue. Devil is always gonna be around. Every single day he will be dancing you. Babylon always looking something to bounce on you. I have one question I want to ask. What have I done to you? Why you wanna treat me like criminal? I'm not no criminal. What have I done to you? Why you wanna come to my funeral? Come at my funeral. What have I done to you? Why you wanna criminal? I'm not no criminal. What have I done to you? Why you wanna come to my funeral? Literal. So me exercise every day, I'm a target fit. If up is a look away with extension case. But as long as we have life, we not quit. This a real life, it's not no moving or no skit. Where them a pray for sleep, them not go see away. He not no cemetery, so the prayer what them a pray not necessary. Yes, my God says just a make me know me adversary. Cause every day them a hope and a wish. This is we perish. Cause your opposite of love is what I'm cherish them. No one is the weapon the terrorist. I go down and put in up resistance like terrorists. What have I done to you? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? I'm not a criminal. What have I done to you? Why you wanna come to my funeral? Come at my funeral. What have I done to you? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? I'm not a criminal. What have I done to you? Why you wanna come to my funeral? Need that literal. Time for me to take off that jacket here. Dance all I go on now. Do me a favor, pull the button up here so for me. Pull the button up here so for me. It takes so long to pull the button. Your fingernail them too tall. Yeah, and take off my jacket. I want to feel so free when me I do this. Give me the one job. Rusty and vegetable, we know your meat. We know your pork and we know your beef. Things where some man do go tell them no. God the process, them I go get this a ring. Rasta no bleach and no where we no more. Woman a sell them body, Rasta no buy more. Now see my partner weapon back road. I swear me, rather no go vote more. Bubba was something so we love nice things. Big fat car with a big nice rings. But me no know where someone do feel such things. So me fire burn a boy where you wear nose ring. Stop exercise cause me no like Jack. Cause them level it. This is a 90s rhythm, and it is called Answer. So usually when me hear them rhythm, I'm pay respect to some of the man them will pave the way for somebody like me. So me I big up about 3 artists. And the first one when me I go big up, he is the Ground Godzilla of dancehall. If you don't love Bounty Killer in a Sunfest, I want you hear your boss about Bounty Killer Black coming. Me I go big up our next brother. I him me have on the turban. I him me say Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I. If you don't know, Sizzla Kalonji is one of the greatest Bossa Blanc for Sizzla Kalonji. Me I big up our next brother, but me now call him name. Me I go sing to him song them. Say me and you share the same sentiments. Give him forward. One job. I me say big it up. Girl inna your body ride a murder. Girl inna your body ride a murder. Well on there. Me love me car, me love me buy, me love me money and thing.
Most of all, me love me brownie.
Me love me car, me love me buy, me love me money and thing. But
most of all, me love me brownie.
all right, out the way, out the road.
No, girl, I'm a do my way.
Out the road.
No, girl, I'm a do my way.
Out the. You know my baby mother tell me this man in the wood. Just for your body, you too, you too, you too, you too, you too. I say so much, you're alone, you're alone. Make sure you put this in. Come you the feet and you need to do the one job, driver.
No, someone
God is a reason I run a half mile. Driver.
don't even itch.
Collect a little penny and forward quick. Driver, don't forget the dance me. Got them there, boy, and my friend that I got that next cell phone. Singular trip, any problem you carry. You can drink a beer, but don't wanna play. The scent of marijuana. Listen, the scent of marijuana. Bye bye. Man, I like bad mind people. Man, I like corrupted heart people. Man, I like grudgeful people.
We don't like.
Says you know, say you're dirty within yourself. You can't exit.
We don't like.
That's like a rise and take it to another level. Inevitable, my miserable. Me no like bad mind. And when my dog and I'm supposed to get me once again, pull up. My name is Bugle. You don't know when you're Bugle? That's like a rise and take it to another level. Inevitable, my miserable. And when my dog and I'm supposed to get me once again, I don't care what kid when I get. Oh yeah, them want to have me striving. And when my local now some people get me once again. What them I pray for God's right way. When I know why them don't like me. And them not like me. The closer me I wear them are the new brand. Like it car the car with me a spirit is a new one. Like it when me go up on the gully in the Cuban. No time me have for one night. Under my freedom, you got to me with them. Hey, that's you got to make career. Oh, come and screw up them days when that next man like them. Cause all when I do and them grow. Them say them are your friend, but are your foe. Oh, them are fasting from the get-go. So I want thing we want. And when me look at us, pull up. This is Reggae Sunfest. Me want what's best to me. Marianne, you bring stress to me. So me know you are know me destiny. Give you me your tone and you give me back bros. Me know I ain't out of board. Catch me on the mood. Why you want me stick around serenade and shows? No, I ain't out of board.
Tell you not fall in love from you meet me the day, but you run gone fall in love in
anyway. Man hurt me before, that's why you go and pay. I don't care.
Melissa, you was me.
Tell the man.
I know me don't know where me interest
Me
went.
not have that.
You are brave this start from me.
don't want no picnic.
Obviously, that wasn't your.
Take back your heart, take back your things. Take back your lies, then take back your flings. Take back your promises, take back your ring. Take all you want and keep it moving. Me no sorry about anything when me do, but me sorry the day me did. So you give me your heart, but you know that not true. Stand.
So the whole of them woman there scream and I go, I that on love the mix up too much. I be a mix up on a deal with it now. Bet tomorrow morning the only thing me I go see on social media is share chase me. Oh yeah. Yeah, at that I say yeah. Me I go tell them why you go on, so hold that. You know why she go on, so? You want go easy, but me want go hard. You want pretty car, me want yard. Just one shop, but you want go lose. Me want furniture, you want. Baby, me who die. Pull up. All of the real man, them in a Sunfest bus a blank. All of the real woman, them in a Sunfest bus a blank. So all the man, them make the woman, them black louder. For my brother, them are idiot. All of the real man, them in a Sunfest. You want go easy, but me want go hard. You want pretty car. You just want shop butter. Me want furniture. Baby, me who does it with you, boy. But come and know say to them. You want hype up. You want load up. Me don't play that. Yeah, me who does it with you, boy. But come and know say to the hell. You want me star, but I'm me a observer. Me want soul food. And then how make sense to shine. Me no compatible. To how me say things with them. I me say this when I work out cause me selective. And we are different. Destined to strive, but you will slow me driver. Now originally, me a be a fighter. Might educated, but you know, and your eyes on the eye, but baby, me who da dey with you, but come and know say that you want hype up, you want load up me. Yeah, me who da dey with you, but guess why not healthy? But come and know say that you want me star, but I'm me a observer. Me want soul food, you want murder. You want gain, and nothing you never try. Every year all you do a wait for ATI. Think you are playing, but babes they not fly. Me can't believe how you hide them try. That's why you end up with a bag of man. Cause you are waiting for me. Try no last, cause I know me I go find you. Swear me not give a damn, it's gold. Baby, me woulda. But come and know I say to them. You are hype up. You are loud up, Rasta no play that. Yeah, me woulda there with you, but guess why not healthy? But come and know I say to them. You want me star, but I'm me a observer. Me want soul food. You want murder. You want go easy, but
Me want go hard.
you want pretty car.
Me want yard.
You just want shop butter.
You are the Lord.
Me want furniture. You want. Thank you so very much. So I haven't done Reggae Sunfest in 9 years. 9 years past, I'm another Reggae Sunfest. So me forward with reggae music. I'm forward with dancehall music. So me have this song when I put out the other day. And on the street song, I have to perform it for you. Bada bling, where you are up on my stage? Where you come up here for do?
One other man, for general, every year nobody person in a reggae Sunfest. Get up off of your chair right now. This is reggae, this is dancehall. Give me this, give me this, give me all bloody night that crowd, yo. Give me this, give me this, give me this Sunfest, give me this, boom. Give me this, give me this, give me this Sunfest, give me this. Hey, Bugle, get ready, me daddy. Start it, back up, come.
be a hot gala. I be a bad gala. All the gas in on the tank low. Numbers in on the bamboo. Don't step on the wrong road. Oh, my tally on the wrong globe. Dance all day, dance all soul. 14 Paris, but I just one code. No king there, but I just one code. John, I don't know if it just one code. Never original, no me no carbon. Batman, so man, I want me tell you some rail. I can't rail, I know there's man Valentine. Dance all mean everything. And dance all are we everything. When dance all they are sound system, they are yard man, they are dancers. How dancers? And when I box and drop that, I be a hot gala. I be a bad gala. Oh my gosh, and I'm a tango. Numbers and not a bamboo. Oh my tally, you're a wrangler. No. Bobara, 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 Bobara. Hold on, let's Sunfest. All who happy for you, like put the two hand over your head. We have it from side to side. Bugle, watch the people then. Are you the one you find out? I got that in come. Give me the way of your Sunfest. Give me the way of your Sunfest. Hey, dance on time. You ready again? Me there I go and feel, I go and chill. And I see some roads above hill. Cause
Rasta no consume season party.
not a Rasta party. Pull up, pull up. Play again. Oh yeah, Rastafari party. I'm in there, I go and feel, I go and chill. And I said some roads above hill. Cause Rasta no consume season party. Rasta party, everything turn up loud. The Rasta was a whistle. They got me fresh like water, no grass in the tree. Oh yeah, everything turn up. Every bubble was a we are so. Because we fresh like water, no grass in the tree.
Start it down. Bubble, bubble, bubble rock, bubble, bubble, bubble rock, bubble, bubble, bubble rock. Bubble, 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 bubble.
Them never know so that boy you're a superstar. Flow for talk and a routine at the bar. Everything straight where you're sitting at the place car. No shake it in a Selassie I bar. No impress there, they need to know. Some born and raised here, some are tourists. Them a go on like Rasta, now have fun. Charlie's a place from sun up to sundown. Yeah, everything turn up. Every Rasta we say we sell. Because we fresh like water, the grass in the green. Oh yeah, everything turn up. Every bubble we say we are sell. Because we fresh like water, the grass in the green.
Princess Kings and Queen.
Bubble rock. Sunfest, we are bubble rock. Sun, we are bubble, 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 rock, bubble, 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 rock, bubble, bubble, bubble.
Wow, 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 wow. Then this nice man.
Oh, this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her face is like a bunch of roses. And if I ever tell you about Maxine, you would have said you don't know what I know. Why?
Murder she wrote.
Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Oh, a pretty face and bad character. Then I kinda live it here. No follow me. A pretty face and bad character. Say girl you pretty, face it pretty, but your character dirty. Girl just a hot up. When you done your mistake, you die boy.
Sorry.
Oh, they must sing like them know that one, yeah, Bobo. Them know that one, yeah? Yeah, we can test them a little bit.
Test them.
want you to know that I am the who. They look at them noise now. I said I'm going here and going there. Yeah. Seeing this and
saying that.
soon you will find out the man I'm supposed to be.
Sometimes.
Well, Emmanuel, I Selassie, Joe. If we now will advise with Bugle, bust a blank for Bugle. If we don't love Bugle performance, bust a blank for Bugle. Thank you so very much. Me never ever say me are the baddest artist. Because I don't want to be the baddest artist. That comes with too much pressure. If you tell me say you are the baddest artist, you have to prove that to me all when you are dead in the wheelchair. And you say so, prove it to me. I'm not the baddest artist. You know why I can't say me are the baddest artist? Because I have too much artists when I rate. And it's not like say I put them above me, but I put them above me, if you understand what I say. I fear people like Shabba Ranky, Ninja Man, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Capleton, Sizzla Kalonji, Buju Banton. The list goes on and on and on. I mean, I go on like them and they're not the greatest who ever do this. If you love all of the artists, them name, I'm just call Bossa Blanc for them for me, please. My time limited tonight. So I'm not going to do my full set when I want to do. I have a hit song when I love to sing, but the time not going to allow me to do that. But I have one more song for sing. And so the song I going to sing for the item, it's a forward from a deeper place. So Mr. Lightman, I'm asking you please to lock off all the lights. So I can share something with Montego Bay, because for 9 years I do Sunfest. Lock off the bright one out of my face too, please. I want to reason with my fans them now. Anybody who in here will have a mother Bossa Blanc for mama? Anybody in here who don't have a mother Bossa Blanc for mama when not there? 3 years ago, the 8th of June 2022, I sit down in the hospital and watch mama take her last breath. I don't know how painful that is. Some of you have a mother and know and spend little time with mama. But when mama dead now run go talk about mama, I miss you. And when mama did alive, when I did that this mama. Anybody in here will have a mother where you love me, I beg you please. When you go up, even if mama asleep, go in the room and kiss mama upon her jaw and say, mama, I love you.
Mama, you know.
If you not live with mama, send mama a text and say, mama, I love you. If tomorrow morning mama says she want a cup of coffee, don't only give her coffee, but give her Minto, give her chocolate, give her Milo, give her any tea where mama require. Because mama are the greatest. I know my mother usually tell me, say, I can't know the use and tail until him lose that. Me grudge everybody will have a mother. That's the only thing me grudge people for. Because I wish me did have a mama. I'm talk about mama too long, I go cry in a Sunfest. But I still have to talk about mama. Because I hold mama hand when mama hand did warm. And then mama hand get cold. And it's not like say the time change from summer to winter. I never that. I dead mama dead. I'm still a hold on for mama and I'm not let go. All when mama dead. Because I don't want mama for dead. When the doctor tell me for sign something, for let go my mama bad up the doctor in the hospital, I get mad. I said, Doc, what you tell me say, take me and make mama live. Or the worst thing will ever happen to me in my life. I sit down in the hospital and hold on for my mother and I watch her take her last breath. I don't know that hurt. And we there going like we don't love with mother. Some man do even love them baby mother, not because they are not together. Or you feel love the youth and you don't love the mother of the youth. Show respect to your baby mother, brother. Anybody with the in here so we have a mother. I wish them that have a mother once you turn on your phone light in a Sunfest. Any light where you turn on tonight, you not turn it on for me, you know. You turn on your light for mama. Because I use the mama there heaven I watch you. I use the mama protect you. So if you don't turn on your light tonight, that means mama now go sister you turn on a light for mama tonight. So if you love mama in a Sunfest, why you turn on your flashlight? I want you wave mama flashlight left to right. I swear to God I love mama like I can't love her no more. I want you wave mama light left to right. And this light is for mama, it's not for Bugle. All of them lights are where I wave. Look for mama light in a Sunfest. No worry about your blessing. Where's your protein? They are heaven. The man coming into water pearl. Dressing up. And everything. On them. Don't let them go. Oh yeah, your mother. Where's your protein? They are heaven. She are coming into water pearl. Dressing up. And everything. Don't take down mama light. Mama got to walk about left him gone into you. Me realize she never gone into you. Yeah, man, she's so till my mama rest on the father. She say anything. Anybody lose a loved one, man, feel your pain. Is a reason why it happened. Freeze your brain. For pain I ain't got accommodation. No worry about your